Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing an unboxing of the new Erin Condren Spring surprise box. I am super excited about seeing what goodies are in this box, and I can't wait to share them with you. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to see what amazing things are in this box for the spring season. This is the inside of the box, and as you can see, when you open the box, there's this beautiful rainbow foil with the phrase, "Somewhere over the rainbow is a new beginning waiting for you." I love that. I love that so much. And then there's this really pretty card that says "New Growth, New Beginnings." I love that. That is one of my major phrases for this year as well. It's perfect. And it shows all the great things inside. But before I look at that, I'm actually going to go through each of the items because I have not seen them. We are doing this unboxing in real time. So my reactions right now are very authentic. And I'm super excited to see what's inside. Oh, wow. Look at this. So this is one of the new A5 journals. Daily Focus Journal A5, 3 months of daily intentional journey with weekly reflections, 3 tab sections, note pages, reflection pages. This is absolutely perfect for me right now because I'm actually finishing out my current wellness log, I take that back. I'm using the Erin Condren academic planner for my daily reflection journal, and I love it. I love being able to do reflections on a daily basis, but this actually looks like it would be a better size to keep on my nightstand, which is where I normally keep that journal, and it's just very chic. I love that it has the "Somewhere over the rainbow is a new beginning waiting for you," because I am going through that season in my life, so it's perfect. And I'm just going to do a quick flip through so you can see what's inside. This is a daily focus journal. I love the beautiful watercolor on the inside cover. That is gorgeous. You can actually take this off and flip it as well for that to be like your outside cover if you want it also, which I think is pretty cool. And then it has some pages explaining how to use this journal. And I won't go through all of those. That definitely is helpful to know. It kind of walks you through the process. And then you have some prompts for reflecting on different things. And then you have some boxes to talk about checking in. I guess this is like where you start off, kind of your baseline. And then some things that you want to be letting go. And then some brainstorm. Oh, yeah, this is wonderful. Oh, this is great. Yeah, well, my other journal ends, I think, in June. I forget when the other one ends. Definitely going to start using this. I probably won't share this much on my channel because I put a lot of very personal things in here, but I would recommend if you're someone who likes to journal or has thought about getting into journaling, especially if you're going through like a major transition in your life, to really consider something like this. This is a great size to even put in your purse or your planner bag and keep up with on a regular basis. And I'm pretty sure it's probably not dated, which is even better because then you can just write in it when you feel like it or when you need to. So I'm actually going to move the box from underneath so we can see the full pages. This is the Getting Focused page. More Getting Focused. More Getting Focused. And then you start off with this month. And then you can write in what I'm focusing on for this month, how I'd like to feel this month. That's great. And then you have a whole page over here to brainstorm, brain dump, list your goals or milestones, or even put pictures in. Like as you go through the month, maybe you do a collage to show all the different experiences you've had throughout the month going towards your focus or goals. So I really like that. The main thing I'm focusing on this week, and then it takes you into a weekly view and you can fill that in. So as I mentioned before, if you're not someone that likes to journal every day, this is great because then you really only have to focus in on that week or that day. And then you have daily pages, and they don't necessarily have to be consistent. You do have, I guess, 7 days in the week. Let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is, I guess, your 7th day, and you talk about how the week went. So there's a lot of prompts here also to kind of help direct you in how to properly journal or do reflections, which I think is really great, especially for a beginner or even someone who just wants to kind of move to the next level of journaling, which is where I am. So I love this. I can't wait to start using it. This is really, really good. And with everything that's happened over the past year or so, I think we all could benefit from reflecting and trying to work on rebuilding our lives and normalcy in our lives to some extent. So this is really great. I'm not going to go through every page and every section, but each of the months have their own color. So the first month is purple, the second month is kind of pinkish color, and then the last month is blue. Very nice, very beautiful. I'm going to flip to the end just to see if there's anything else extra in the back. And then, yes, you have a wrap-up kind of at the end of the book celebrating you, what my accomplishments, what I've learned, what I'm proud of, capable of, and grateful for. This is really, really good. Well thought out. Looking ahead, things I will continue to focus on. And then you have some open note pages or journaling pages, which are really, really great. So this is a beautiful little journal. I'm so glad they put it in here because I've been thinking about getting one of these A5 journals, but not really sure what I could use it for. And this really seems like a great transition for me for my journaling. I was thinking about getting a happy planner, but I'm really glad this came in the spring surprise box because now I have a new planner. This is wonderful. So that is the first item. These fine tip markers that came in the box, and the colors are super cute. I think they're very similar to the dual tip markers by Erin Condren. This isn't an exact match, but I know I probably have these same colors in those dual tip markers, which is cool. I'm kind of curious to see how these fine tip markers compare to those. So actually, I'm going to take them out. And actually, oh, this is a really fine tip. If you can see that, it is super fine. Yeah, this is really, really fine. And I'm probably not writing on the right type of paper because I'm sure I would smudge this if I rubbed my finger across it. But at least you get to see like how fine in particular. You could probably use these to actually like write like a pen or a pencil in your journal. They're that fine tipped, or they're great for like doodling if you were to do a lot of detailing and things like that. These are really pretty. And I'm pretty sure the fine tip on these, let me just see if I have one of the colors. I'm actually looking for these specific colors and realizing I don't have them. And I have a lot of these markers too. So this is actually kind of cool in the sense that it gives me more variety in colors. This is actually the wider tip. It's the wider tip of the dual tip markers. And then this is the more fine version of that dual tip marker, and I'm just going to take one of these off, smaller than the fine tip on the dual tip marker. So the dual tip marker writes like that, which is still a little wide, and if you can see that compared to the fine tip marker, I'll write it even a little closer. I'm just putting my name here. You'll see that it's even smaller, even finer. So this is really great. Like I said, these would be very great for writing and or adding more detail to your doodling. So I hope these come in more colors. I'm pretty sure they're a sneak peek for more markers coming out in this style, and I really do like the idea of adding them to my collection, and I hope that you consider them also. So that is the fine tip marker, and as you can see, they complement the whole rainbow theme very well. So I really do love those. Can't wait to use them. Oh, this is really, really cute, and I need this. Oh my gosh, you do not know how much I've needed something like this. This is a sunglasses and mask chain, which is amazing because I've been saying, especially when, and some people may not be able to relate to this, but when I wear head wraps, like something tied around my hair versus wearing my natural hair out or wearing my hair out in general, it's hard to put the mask around my ears that way and keep it up on my face. So having something like this is actually really good in the sense that I can pin it on my mask and kind of loop it over my ears and even maybe wear it as a necklace, but still keep my mask up, which is really cool, and still keep my head wrap on. I think that will work. I think that might work. I don't know. I'm going to play with it, but I'm pretty sure I can use this as an alternative way to wear my mask when I have my hair up, which is wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Or when I'm out running and wearing one of my visors. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. I'm going to take it out of the packaging just to give you a better sense and idea of what it looks like. And it has these really beautiful little beads in the rainbow colors. I love that. But it's so sophisticated. Like, it's not childish. It's very sophisticated. I love that. And I love the little asterisk detail at the top with the little clips for your glasses. This is really cute. I love this idea. I don't know who came up with it, but thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is really nice. I love that also. And then we have these super cute stickers, and they actually look like watercolor stickers. So one set is like little labels, I guess, or headers even, in the different watercolors, and then you have these pretty round circles. These would have been great actually to cover up the hexagons in the old Daily Petites, but I'm pretty sure you could use them also to accent or color things in the other planners as well. I love the fact that each one is a different watercolor combination, so you can kind of mix and match them. This is really cute as well. I love them. This box is super cute. I like it. I really, really like it. The next thing that we have are these vegan leather adhesive tabs. Oh, that's really cute. Very sophisticated, actually. Okay. I wonder how well they stick, though. I'm going to try them out in my Daily Petites. They're really cute. So I think my next one is April, May, June, and I'm going to try them as my tabs for that one. 12 adhesive tabs. Peacock color, peacock vegan leather. Yeah, I guess they're adhesive tabs for your planner, and they're really cute, one for each month. I'm not going to take these out just yet until I actually need to use them. I think you get the idea. They look really cute, and they actually look very chic as well. I love that. Erin Condren really puts a lot of detail into the quality of their products. That's one thing that I always love about the boxes as well as anything else I purchase. And the next thing I wanted to share is this cute little notepad that also came in the box. It's a daily planning notepad, which I need something like this because I always grab for a list, a to-do list. So this is really great. And I love that it has a top 3 and some dot grids. Yeah, this is cute. I can keep this on my desk or in my acrylic rotator so that I can always grab for it. I absolutely love this and definitely will put it to use. I really hope that this is not exclusive, that they will have more pads similar to this going forward, because I love even the simplicity of the decor at the top, how it's very simple, so you really focus in on what you're supposed to be planning for. So I really love that. And this doesn't even have to be, and I'm thinking of it like a daily planner thing. I'm a weekly planner when it comes to work, and I do have a planner for that I recently shared from Note, but I'm just thinking on a day when I don't have time, or week where I don't have time to grab for that planner, I can actually do my weekly planning on here too, because it has a very similar layout, the focus, what I'm doing, and all of that. So this is awesome. I will definitely use that as well. And last but not least, and this was one of the sneak peeks that I was most excited for, which really prompted me to buy this box, the cute reusable bag that comes along with it. So this is a mesh tote with the mid-century circles design. I think it is absolutely awesome. In the summer, one of my favorite things is going to the farmer's market. I love doing that, and I cannot wait to dress up in one of my little sundresses and have this bag draped on my arm. It is so cute, so adorable, so chic, and so like sustainable and earth friendly. It's just got a really cute vibe to it. It's like I'm conscious. That's what I read from this bag. So I am really excited to be able to use this. And I would say, even if I didn't get all the other great goodies, this bag in and of itself made the box worth it. So I'm excited about using that. But then I also have to admit, I'm super excited about all the other things too. I know I will use literally everything that came in this box this time. Like, that is something I'm really happy about. If you received the spring surprise box, let me know in the comments below what is your favorite thing. And if you did not receive the spring surprise box, let me know if you wish you had ordered it and what would you have considered your favorite thing. So either way, I just want to hear back from you, some feedback in terms of what do you think of this spring seasonal surprise box? Is it in your top 3? I think it might be for me. I have to go back and kind of, because I've had a lot of these boxes at this point, but I would definitely say I really, really love the theme, the items, and the vibe that I got from this box. I feel like I can truly use everything that came in the box, which is how you want to feel when you spend money on these surprise subscription boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!